Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting Safari stable and ready. First, update Safari and macOS so features and security are current, then export bookmarks as an HTML backup. Once done, open Preferences and disable unused extensions to cut memory use and tracking. Next, enable content blockers and strict privacy settings to reduce page weight and speed up loads. Make sure tracking prevention is on. It improves performance and privacy simultaneously. These steps let you change behavior without risk. Now focus on runtime performance and tab management. You'll clear caches for slow sites using developer tools and remove large site data in privacy settings to free space. Then organize tabs into groups, pin the ones you use daily, and close tabs unused for over 24 hours. That reduces memory pressure. You should enable hardware acceleration and limit background tab refresh to conserve CPU and battery. After these changes, pages will render quicker and Safari will stay responsive during heavy sessions. Finish by customizing features that match your workflow. You'll edit the toolbar to surface reader, tab groups, and extension icons, and set keyboard shortcuts for quick actions. Turn on Passwords Manager and enable two-factor for critical accounts to secure logins. Use the privacy report to spot trackers and adjust site settings accordingly. If something breaks, create a clean profile and test settings. Restore your bookmark backup if needed. This last check ensures improvements are stable and reversible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.